Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new playlist in the Spotify desktop application to add podcasts and music and audio to it. So let us guide you through it. Launch the Spotify app. I'm going to use it on my desktop Windows computer. And what you want to do is log into your account. Of course, you will see your profile icon in the top right. And next you will be navigated to your library. What you want to do is, there are two ways how you can do this. You can, for example, click into this plus create button and select playlist. Or you may click into these three dots in the top left, hover your mouse over file and select playlist. Alternately, there's also the shortcut Control N, or if you're using a Mac, Command N. So once you have started creating a playlist, it will be added to a list of playlists here. Make sure that you select playlists here to the left as well. And that's it. Now you can, for example, click into these three dots of the given playlist, navigate to edit details and rename it here, describe it, upload a playlist photo, and so on and so forth. And to add music to it, you will need to use that search bar here for songs or episodes. Look for the given song. Now, of course, for copyright reasons, I'm not going to do this, but I'm going to explain to you how it works. Look for the given music or audio here. And next to the given audio track here to the right, you will see a add button. So click into it to add it to your playlist. And that's it. That's how you create your playlist and fill it with music and audio. Thanks for watching on Spotify desktop app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.